So this is my honest review of the Hoover Pet Complete Smartwash. I'm a huge fan of this shampooer. It's got super easy compartments to recognize. So this one is the dirty compartment. This is where the soiled water goes into. This is the clean water. And then if you go back here, it's also the solution that you put in, and it's pretty easy to put in, pull in, put out. What's another cool thing is this wand. This is the spot chaser. So if you have dogs, I've got a 17-year-old dog. She doesn't know if she's peeing or not, so I have to use this quite often. And what happens is you can pull this out, and then you press this button, and then you spray the soiled area really quick before you start actually cleaning. I'm such a fan of it because it's so easy to pull apart and put back together. It's really easy to keep clean. So I've had this for probably a little over 6 months, and just look at it, how it looks clean. And I have been using this quite a bit. Like I said, I have a 17-year-old dog. She's a little incontinent, so this is very valuable for us. It's got just the regular cord. You flip this down, pull it out. Simple. If you have too much water, if you've put too much water in the carpet and you want to get it cleaned out, you can press the dry only button, and then it will just continue to suck in the water until the carpet feels nice and dry. So all in all, again, I'm really happy with this shampooer. I've had a many of shampooers, and this one has been the one that's lasted the longest for me. So there you go. That's my honest review of this Hoover Pet Complete Smartwash shampooer. It's an awesome purchase. I would definitely recommend it, and go get yourself one.
All right, so my finishing remarks on the Hoover Pet Complete Smart Brush carpet cleaner. As you can see, my carpet definitely is a lot cleaner. A lot of the stains that were documented before are gone. The rug is a lot brighter and less dingy looking than it was before. Definitely in the high traffic areas where dirt collects the most, all those spots came out. Again, it has the Oxy power shot in the handle again, which I liked. This right here, man, it's spot chaser. Just spray it on, and then let that saturate for a little bit, and then go to work with the rest of the vacuum, and you have great results. So out of 5, a star rating of 5, I definitely give it a 5.
So
We created a space for.
yeah, it's
倒翻出嚟嘅水都唔夠1/5，呢個廣告有問題。